Hey guys, my name is Elaine and today I'm going to be doing an unveiling or unbagging of a product for my camera. I received a leather strap and it's a really pretty blue color from a company called OLPR Leather Goods. So a little bit about their company. I did a little bit of research. They were based originally out of the Ukraine. It looks like there's 4 young people in the company and their parents really encouraged them to be creative and artsy. So they created this leather goods company. And because they were in the Ukraine, it was taking forever for items to be shipped to the United States. So after a visit to the United States, they wound up moving to North Carolina so they can cater to all their clients in the States with their beautiful leather goods. Now it looks like they sell all kinds of things on their website, from journals and bags and wallets and aprons. But today I was sent a camera strap for my camera, and I'm going to review it. I'm going to see how easy it is to put on my camera and see where it lands on me and things like that. But it's pretty cool. I just opened the outer bag, and you're going to watch me do the rest. So let's see. Now, I don't know about you, whoa, but the first thing I do when I get leather is I smell it. I know it's terrible. I know there's people out there that hate leather, but quite honestly, I don't mind it. So it's packaged really cute, and it has my initials on it. Oh, I wonder if they put my initials on the actual thing. We will see. Oh, look how sweet. My initials are actually on it. This is awesome. I knew that they could be custom made. I did fill it in. This is beautiful. The quality feels really thick. It smells amazing, and my initials are right there. I'll take some pictures afterwards so you can see some up close of that. But this is going to be really awesome. So it's going to sit right about here, which is perfect length for me. Now I'm short, so a lot of my camera straps hang down way too low and I have the extra hanging. So I'm going to see where this winds up going. So let's just see how long it takes me to take this one off and the ease of putting this one on, because it looks like it just has these little, almost like a belt clasp here when I put the camera strap on. I just hope it's safe enough. I will definitely test it out in the next couple of days and overshoots, and I will come back and review how it's been working in the comments below. So make sure you check back to see how this is going. So I'm sure I'm going to either pause it here or I'll fast forward it to take off my original camera strap off of my Canon camera here. So bear with me. We'll probably speed it up. Take that one off. I'm going to take this one off. It's not too bad actually. So there we go. Here's my camera strap here. So it probably laid about the same. So this looks like this new camera strap will lay exactly the way my previous one did as well. So I think I'm going to have it where my initials can actually face me. So I'm looking at my initials. EMZ. How awesome is that? So let's see what we do here. I'm going to unbuckle this. I'm just going to do like that. And it looks like you're just coming in from this angle here and coming through. Hopefully it'll fit. I'd say, oh, it's a little tight. I'm going to have to really yank it here to get it through here, but I'm sure that's just typical. Let's go in. There we go. I just had to squeeze it through there a little bit. I think it's going to be in there nice and tight, there's no doubt. Let's pull it through. And because I'm short, I'm probably going to make it on one of the tightest loopholes here when I add it on. So let's see where that lands. I'll probably keep it right about there. It looks like I come in this way. And it's just like a pant buckle or a belt buckle. Just do it right here to make it pretty tight. And then I'm going to go through the other one just like that. And again, I'll take some close-up pictures so you can see the quality of this. Honestly, even if this little buckle came apart, there's no way, I don't think that this strap would go through the metal piece on the camera. So chances of it falling are pretty slim, in my opinion, but we'll have to check it out and see how that works out. So there's one side right there. And let me see how fast I can get this other side on. I might fast forward through this if you don't mind. Let's see. They're really tight, actually. Come in like this. And I'll put it through my side camera strap holder. Much easier on this side. And I will do like this. Put on the second loop. And just like a pant buckle, or belt buckle here. Looks like it's on there pretty good. And I'm yanking because I don't want my camera to fall. So there you have it. That was really simple to put on. And I tell you, this blue is so beautiful. I hope the camera's picking up that color. I was able to choose the color I liked, and they have many colors like browns and blues and blacks and greens. So definitely check them out. The company is called OLPR. So you can go to olpr.com. I will definitely leave all the links below. But there you have it. It was totally simple to put on. I'm going to see if you can see this here. It hangs pretty nicely. I don't know if you can see that. It seems like it's going to hold pretty nice. I'm pretty rough with my camera. I usually toss it around when I'm working. And it's going to sit really nice. Actually kind of goes with my shirt today. So I'm really liking this. So in the review below, in the next couple of days after I post the video, I'm going to use this strap for the next few days, and I will let you know how you make out. So I'm going to actually go shopping now because my husband's birthday is at the end of the month, and I'm definitely going to get him some leather goods from this company. They have really cute dob kits and cigar holders and belts and wallets. And the prices are not bad at all, and they ship right here in the United States, and it's made here in the United States. So super excited from this product. I can't wait to start using it. Thank you. If you have any questions, leave them down below and follow along, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Bye.